Shocking truth about Cardano. ADA holders must prepare. Hi guys, welcome back to Crypto Geek. So let's get right to the point and see what's going on. But before we do, let me inform you we're having a giveaway of 1 Ethereum. So don't forget to leave a like on this video, subscribe, and set on post alerts to participate in this giveaway and to remain up to speed on all things Cardano and investment in cryptocurrencies. So without further ado, let's jump straight into this video, shall we? Cardano is one of these cryptocurrencies in the market which has shown great potential to all its supporters, investors, and fundamentals of the crypto market. This bad boy of a currency has time and time again proven that it is a currency that will manage in any kind of crisis and sustain through that. The first and foremost example of that has been the time when recently the crypto market saw a very huge crash when Tesla CEO Elon Musk stopped accepting Bitcoin as a mode of payment at his company due to the exponentially growing environmental and ecological concerns related to Bitcoin. After this statement, the market saw a huge dip. All the currencies suffered a lot, but Cardano ADA was able to take on crisis quite gracefully. Not only that, due to this exponential phenomenon, Cardano ADA managed to garner a lot of support and the precious attention of some of the very big names in the market. In recent times, Cardano ADA has shown some very surprising behavior that has left all the people of the crypto market startled. If you look at the charts, Cardano was swaying at the all-time high it has ever experienced, but recently it's gone down to a 60+% dip. Well, yes, you heard that right. In the recent bull to bear market, Bitcoin dipped around 85%, but Cardano ADA in just 1 week dipped around 65%. That's very huge for all the people interested in this news related to cryptocurrencies, and especially Cardano ADA. Cardano ADA has indeed dipped to a very incredible support area, and people can now actually enter in the bear market with this huge dip. Now the question arises, can Cardano ADA dip further than 65%? Can we expect a huge, and we must tell you, a very huge dip of around 95%? We are sure of the fact that your minds must have been flooded with all these questions after all the mind-boggling data we just presented you with. Well, the answer to the above question is yes. This huge 65% dip may easily turn into a 95% dip. Cardano ADA may eventually dip to 12 cents. If crypto markets were to crash in the near future due to its very volatile nature, then there are many chances that investors might enter a multi-month or even a year-long bear market. Many people are of the same opinion, and we must tell you to be prepared for the same. This opportunity for all the investors will be massive. Cardano ADA has behaved in a very fickle way in the last few days. A huge and incredible dip to the support area was the consolidation. All this happened in just a span of a few days. This is what we're talking about whenever we say that the crypto market is of a very volatile nature. Cardano ADA has indeed shown a very bullish behavior with the current stunt. People get excited because now is the perfect time to get in there and get a taste of the crypto market. The investors and fundamentals are very much used to keeping track of all the trends, whether it's an uptrend or a downtrend. They do it all the time as their money depends on it, of course. If you look at the current chart of the market, you will see a lot of green and red lines. Again, a known fact because we people related to the crypto realm are used to tracking them all the time. But if you look at the current Cardano ADA's chart, then you will most probably see something very unique and incredible. It goes way deeper than what meets the eye. The graph of Cardano ADA shows its story of all things such as research infrastructure, building, groundwork, the blood, tears, and sweat that went into the process of building and developing Cardano ADA that most people have no idea about. Then comes the Cardano ADA community that has made Cardano ADA what it is today. We can never imagine these things, but a lot of hard work has gone into developing Cardano ADA. Cardano ADA has managed to build a very strong community of supporters around itself, but some investors are of a different opinion, who call Cardano a ghost chain and vaporware. After all these odds, Cardano ADA has proved that it stands strong with its proof-of-stake mechanism, and it's definitely on the road to establish a different and whole new level of storing and growing your money. In short, a whole different and new level of approach towards banking. Cardano has shown great potential through its core, the proof-of-stake mechanism, which is a very powerful move and characteristic as compared to its competitors. With smart contracts on its way to be introduced in the approach and working of Cardano, and this huge dip, well, it is a one-of-a-kind roller coaster ride, so fasten your seatbelts. Cardano ADA has indeed shown a very startup-like mentality, where everything is new and ever-changing. All of the crypto market is volatile and then new and raw, but this coin right here, people, it is a great opportunity for you all, in front of your eyes. The opportunity to prepare for a second phase of planning and approach in the crypto market is right here. The investors and people interested in this bad boy have got time between the 60% dip and the consolidation to grab the aforementioned opportunity. The trend shown by this coin from the mass hype to mass fear is very incredible, without a single thought of doubt. Cardano right now is consolidating and does not even look like a legit entry to the bear market. The graph that Cardano ADA showed when it first entered the bear market versus now that it is not even in the saturation point of entering the bear market are very different from each other. It does not mean that it will not enter the end market, but right now it is not showing any signs, but who knows? The chances of continuation of consolidation while entering the bull market are very high as for the current data, graphs, and statistics. The battle between the bulls and bears is very real at this stage in the market, and especially for Cardano ADA holders. In the past few weeks, Bitcoin was at the same position in which Cardano ADA is today. It failed all the resistance moves at the Fibonacci, came down for a brief period of time, and went straight up with its powerful moves. So will the same happen with Cardano ADA this time? Will Cardano repeat the same powerful move as displayed by Bitcoin? Will Cardano fail and come down, stay there for a brief moment, and then blast through Fibonacci resistance? This is one of the most powerful moves that we're hoping that Cardano ADA will show and bless us with. The target set up for Cardano ADA is crystal clear. It is targeted upwards to $3 and targeted downwards to nearly 80 cents. Which way will it go? Be prepared for those two potential outcomes, guys. So this is it for today's video. With this, we have reached the end. If you liked this one and found it informative, then do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel to show your love and support. Tell us in the comments down below what you think is the most volatile crypto market will turn its heads to. How much will Cardano ADA be worth in the next week or the next month? We will love to see your opinions. Do not forget to hit and turn on the bell notifications to never miss an update from our end. We will see you in the next one. Till then, stay tuned.